up guys, my name is DiDio, and in this video we're learning how to play some really cool D shapes that you'll find in a ton of different songs, as well as Wanted Dead or Alive, or More Than a Feeling. So let's get into the content. So it doesn't really matter what kind of music you're playing, variations in chordal shapes and structures always help to make the sound of the song different and constantly changing. And that's how songs like this, More Than a Feeling or Wanted Dead or Alive, can really stand can really stand out. Now you also find this in a lot of Christian songs, country songs, you name it, blues, they're all around in every kind of music. So just keep watching this video, and this might really help a lot of beginners out there that are looking for ways to improve their playing skills. But if you've never met me before, my name is DiDio, and you're watching a channel all about bringing fun, family-friendly videos here on YouTube based on guitar tutorials, music theory lessons, or product reviews. So make sure you please consider subscribing for more videos just like this one, as well as vlogs too, which are a lot of fun. And I'll link up my playlist of vlogs right there if you want to check that out. I would really appreciate it if you did. But let's go and jump into the first D chord shape that we'll be talking about today. Alright, so the first one is a fairly simple D sus chord. Now for those of you who don't already know the D chord, I'll link up a video about how to play the D chord right there, and I've got videos on a whole lot of other chords as well if you'd like to check those out. I'll put everything in the description below so you can go and check it down there for more info on other chords you might not know yet and that you might be interested in learning that could help improve your skills. But this is based off of the D chord. And all we're doing is we're taking the regular D chord and we're putting our pinky on the 3rd fret of the high E string. It's a small change, but it makes a really big difference. Really cool for More Than a Feeling, you know. Used a lot of times in lots of different songs. But now let's jump into the second type of D chord that I want to talk about, which is used a lot in Wanted Dead or Alive, because Wanted Dead or Alive is mainly based off of the minor, the D minor chord. Adding that E note in there makes it to where it can be major or minor, because you don't have that minor 3rd in there. Now you can always add it, but kind of making it mysterious as to whether the song is minor or major. And then at the end of the song, if you listen carefully, he goes back through and plays it again, and then the last chord they play is a major, and it's really cool to hear. But this is called the D2 chord. And all you do for this is you do the regular D chord, and instead of adding your pinky, you take your 2nd finger off and play the open E string. That's a really pretty chord, used very often. Both of these chords are used very often, and now that you start practicing them, you'll be able to say, wait a minute, I just heard the sus chord in that song right there, or I just heard the 2 chord, and you'll start hearing it in most of the songs you hear or learn. So it's just really handy to know how to play and to have in your tool belt of tools for playing live or writing music. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, share it with your friends, comment if you have any questions or video suggestions. What would you like to see me play or teach here on the channel? Let me know in the comment section below. Also subscribe to watch those videos and to get notified. Ding the bell once you hit the subscribe button so that way you'll get notified whenever I put out new content. But again, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy playing these chords, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.